The human body is able to make a lot of the fatty acids that we use. For example, pretty much every saturated fatty acid we can make, and we can make a lot of the unsaturated fatty acids that we use. However, there are some fatty acids that we need that we cannot make. And these tend to fall into two categories that you've probably heard of: omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. Okay, so hopefully now this omega term makes sense to you. We know that omega in terms of fatty acids means the carbon that's furthest away from the carboxylic acid, right? And an omega-3 fatty acid would be one that has the first double bond on the third carbon away from the omega terminus. So this is carbon 1, 2, and 3. So any fatty acid that has a double bond present at this position is considered an omega-3 fatty acid. So for example, we have 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is an 18 carbon fatty acid with one double bond present at the omega-3 position. So 18, 1, and minus 3 is an omega-3 fatty acid, and this is essential. Okay? It's essential because this double bond that we have is so far away from the carboxylic acid. The human body is limited to the position where it can place double bonds. All right, so if we number this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the human body is able to put double bonds in any of these positions. So we could put a double bond between 9 and 10, 8 and 9, 7 and 8, etc. But it cannot start a double bond anywhere past carbon 9. So I'm going to put these in red. Carbon 10, 11, 12, any of these. If there's a double bond anywhere over here, the human body cannot make this fatty acid. Consequently, if we need that fatty acid to be healthy and to live, we have to get it in our diet. And that makes this an essential fatty acid. Essential meaning that we have to get it from our diet, we cannot produce it. Okay, a lot of omega-6 fatty acids are also essential. An omega-6 fatty acid has the first double bond on the 6th carbon away from the omega terminus. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be an omega-6 fatty acid. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so this fatty acid that we just drew, which is 18, 1, and minus 6, is an omega-6 fatty acid. And as we can see, if we number from the carboxylic acid, this double bond is positioned on the 12th carbon away from the carboxylic acid. So, and anything past 9, we cannot make. So this would also be an essential fatty acid. So whenever you're drawing out these fatty acids or thinking about them, just remember, we can only put double bonds on the 9th carbon or closer to the carboxylic acid. Any double bond present on a carbon beyond the 9th carbon must be essential.